Good morning, traders. Is I'm looking here at the chart of IWM for the last year. As you can see, it's hit a high of 227, and that was back in January. Low of 162 back in October, and currently hanging around 174. My current outlook for 2023, at least for this first 6 months, we'll say, is a bearish outlook. So what I'm thinking about doing is doing a 6-month, what I'll call a rolling calendar trade. I'm going to buy the 175 call for June the 30th, going to pay about $1,427. And then what I'm going to do is 3 times a week sell calls against it to reduce my cost. So if you take the cost of $1,427, divide that by 26 weeks, you have to recoup $54 a week. Well, if you divide that by 3, as there's 3 expirations a week, you've only got to sell it for 18 cents premium each expiration 3 times a week in order to break even. Of course, we're not looking to break even, we're looking to make money. But, for about $1,500, it's a shot at making some money, a trade you can keep on for, it's going to be a 6-month trade. So that's what I'm thinking about doing. Just a new year, new trade idea. Tell me what you think about it. And if you decide to trade along, good luck to you.